Happy New Year! Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new, and if you are new, it would mean so much if you guys hit the subscribe button to join my YouTube family and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I drop a video, which is every Tuesdays and Thursdays. So a lot of us have fitness goals and fitness New Year's resolutions, so I thought this would be the perfect video to bring in 2021 right at the beginning, and that is my tips and tricks on how to get fit and how to lose weight. So I'm gonna share with you everything that I like to do and everything that I will be doing in 2021 to get fit and lose that extra weight that we may have gained during the year of 2020. Comment down below any of your New Year's resolutions. I will also link my fitness playlist in the description box for you guys, so definitely go check out all those videos. There's so many now on so many different tips, tricks, workouts, what I eat. So with that being said, let's just jump right into the video. The first step is to goal set and also to plan with an agenda. So goal setting is super crucial for success. It is what's going to motivate you to continue on this journey and continue to get fit for 2021. So of course, all our goals are gonna look different, whether that's to lose a little bit of weight, add some weight, put more muscle on your body, whatever the case may be. Make sure that you set your goals at the beginning of the year and write them all down so you can see them laid out. I like to have two agendas, one agenda just being for my normal daily things that I have to write about, and then I also like to have a fitness agenda every single year. A lot of the times you may think that you don't need to plan things out and you're just gonna wing it, but if you do so, you'll find yourself being a couch potato more often, and you're gonna find yourself falling off track a lot easier than if you have a plan. There's a few things that I like to record in this fitness agenda. So the first one being the days and times that you plan to work out, the days and times you plan to meal prep, as well as the days and times you plan to grocery shop. And if you really want to and go the extra step, you can also write down your food intake and your workout programs that you completed each of the days. So this is just gonna have everything fitness related in this agenda, and it's just gonna make sure that you are organized and that you are completing what you have to do every single week. And I also like to make sure I plan each month in advance so I can have it all laid out for me and so that it gets me motivated. And that leads me to step number 2, which is to make a fitness plan. So having a meal plan and a workout plan all prepared for you is really the best thing you could do when it comes to achieving your fitness goals, and it's just gonna make it a lot more simple for you, especially if you're not sure where to start and you're just starting your weight loss journey. And I'm gonna share with you something that I've been using for a little bit, and I've actually mentioned it in the past, and I'm so happy because today I am partnering up with the 28 Days Perfect Bodies DNA to share with you their fitness book. And like I said, I've mentioned this book previously and I have been continuing to use it, and will definitely bring this in to 2021 to stay fit in the New Year's with the Perfect Bodies DNA book. This is amazing because it is not only just a fitness book, but what's really great and different about this one is it is completely personalized. This book in particular is personalized to myself. As you can see on the title, it even says personally made for Nicoletta, and that is just totally unheard of when it comes to fitness books. They are typically made for a one size fits all, and fitness is just not a one size fits all. Everyone's very unique. We all have different bodies, we all have different lifestyles, we all have different diets. So this is really gonna be great because it's customized to be different for each of you. All you have to do is go to my link, which is gonna be the first link in the description box, www.perfectbodydna.com/NicolettaXO. Click that, and you're just gonna go ahead and do a quick questionnaire. They're gonna ask you all different questions, all the way from what your body shape is, your weight, what your goals are, what you want to target, what your lifestyle is like, your diet, health conditions you have. And once you fill out the questionnaire, with their teams of health professionals, nutritionists, and dietitians will help to create a book just for you. Using my code NIC30, you can get 30% off your ebook. And if you want, you can go ahead and print out a hard copy like this one. If not, you can also just have the ebook version. And it is a 28-day program, so it will give you a 28-day plan when it comes to your meal plan and your fitness plan. What's really good about this is it takes the guesswork out of anyone's fitness or weight loss journey. I've been following it every single day. I've been liking to do the workouts every single morning, continuing with the diet plan every single day. They give you a ton of different recipes and options when it comes to breakfast, lunch, dinner, and also snack options. So it's very realistic and not restrictive at all. And the workouts are really really great as well because you could do them straight from home. You don't need any equipment, so you don't even need to go to a gym. That's why I like to do them right when I start my day. You just have to use body weight exercises, so no equipment's needed, and they also are just really effective, and you're definitely going to break a sweat after doing one of their workouts as well. I've been following the book to a T for a while now, so I'm going to share with you guys how I started and how I'm looking now. I still have a little while to go, but as you can tell, there's such a big difference using this plan, and has really kept me on track. I find it a little bit difficult when it comes to meal plans, especially. I'm not the greatest at that, so having it all laid out makes it easy for me, and also having a bunch of different workouts laid out is really great for me as well. My body is not getting used to the same thing over and over again, and where I stay stagnant, this has really allowed me to see the results that I want to see. It's more of a lifestyle change and not like a diet. The book alone is very motivating when you read it. It really teaches you a lot about nutrition and a lot about fitness and health in general, so it's also a really great read. What I also love about the book is it gives you a recovery plan, so if you do fall off track, which is totally normal and something that's gonna happen in your fitness journey. Of course, especially during the holidays times that are just passing, a lot of us tend to get off track. There's a lot more sweets and desserts and a lot more celebration. Now, coming into January, this is really gonna help put you on track and give you those tools and steps that you need in order to stick onto a good workout and diet plan. Like I said, if you guys are interested in the book, I will have it linked down below as the first link so that you are able to pick one up for yourself. The next step is to focus on the basics. So if you're just starting out, there are a ton of basics to just keep in mind when you are doing your fitness journey. Some things to always keep in mind when starting a fitness journey are the basics. The basics include to do body weight exercises with good technique, do cardio a few times a week, eat lots of veggies, fruits, lean protein, as well as grains and healthy fats to avoid and limit alcohol and sugar, as well as highly processed foods, and to get sleep, a good amount of sleep and proper sleep every single night. And lastly, to drink a ton of water. These are all the basics when it comes to fitness. Don't overcomplicate it. The basics will really get you further than you think, and it's just as simple as that. Step number 4 is to drink water before you eat. Breakfast, a lunch, dinner, snacks. This will help keep your body full, and as well, it will make sure that you're keeping on track to stay hydrated throughout the day. I recently just did a whole fitness challenge on drinking a gallon of water every single day for 7 days. So if you guys want to see that video and see my results that I got from that, I will link it above and also down below, but it is in my fitness playlist, so definitely just check out that playlist for a ton of fitness content. But water has so many health benefits when it comes to helping with your energy, helping to lubricate your joints and muscles. It helps to keep you less fatigued, as well as it helps with your skin, and it helps with weight loss. So there is just so many benefits. You definitely want to keep hydrated. And a tip I like to do is if you ever get bored of drinking water, or you're not the best at drinking your water every single day, to kind of spice it up a little bit, you could squeeze some lemon in it, some lime, or one of my favorites is actually to put a few little berries into the water, and it's just gonna give it a little bit of flavor and make it a little bit easier to drink the right amount of water that you should be getting every single day. Step number 5 is to stretch before you go to bed. If you're looking for an actual action goal that you can complete relatively quickly and easy, it is to do your stretches every single night before you go to bed. Make it a habit. It will not only help you relax your body before you go to bed, but it is also an important step in your workout routine that a lot of people actually skip after doing their workout session. Stretching often does get overlooked, but that is a mistake considering all the benefits that stretching does for the body. It will indirectly help with your workout performance and also help with injuries at bay, and as well as it will help reduce the workout soreness that a lot of people actually feel 24 hours to 48 hours after their workout. All of this collectively will help you push harder when it comes to your workout and will help you achieve a greater fitness level. And the last step, which is super important, go at your own pace. You want to remember that we are all very unique, we are all different, and all of our fitness journeys are going to look different from one another. So it's really important not to compare yourself to others because no one else has the exact same situation as you do. So if you feel in your heart that you're really working at it hard, you're doing your best, that is in the end what you need to know. Don't focus on other people's journeys or how other people are doing compared to you. Really just focus on yourself. That is all you can do, and just keep on track, keep motivated, remind yourself why you're doing it, and always have those reminders around you to keep you motivated. That is the entire video. I hope it was useful. I will link, like I said, down below the Perfect Body DNA book. Definitely check out my link, www.perfectbodydna.com/NicolettaXO, and use my code NIC30 to get 30% off of your ebook. I will have all the information, of course, in the description box, as well as my fitness playlist. I hope it helped to motivate you to get fit for 2021. Like I said, leave your resolutions down below in the comment section. So with that being said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!